The Verve Credit Card is aimed at people with poor or limited credit who need a way to build a positive payment history. It reports to all three major credit bureaus, which is key for boosting credit scores with consistent on-time payments. Starting limits range from $300 to $1,000, and if the first 6 monthly payments are made on time, the limit can potentially double. For someone new to credit or trying to rebuild, that limit increase could help improve credit utilization and provide more breathing room. Where the Verve card starts to lose its appeal is the cost. The annual fee runs from $75 to $125 in the first year, and after that, it's $99 to $125 annually. In addition, there can be a monthly maintenance fee of up to $12.50 after the first year, adding as much as $150 yearly. Combine that with other possible charges, like an authorized user fee or a fee for credit limit increases, and costs can add up quickly before even using the card. The APR hovers around a steep 35.90%, making carrying a balance extremely expensive. While the low initial credit limit may help some avoid overspending, after fees are deducted, the usable credit can shrink dramatically, hurting your credit utilization ratio and slowing progress. In short, the Verve credit card can serve as a last resort option for those struggling to qualify for other products, and it does offer a path to rebuild credit if handled carefully. However, the high fees, sky-high interest rate, and limited available credit make it risky. It's best suited for someone who can pay in full every month, avoid carrying a balance, and use it purely as a credit-building tool. Mismanaging it could lead to more debt, higher costs, and stalled credit improvement.